Hello YouTube family and friends. This is Antoinette coming to you with a video. This is an update video on my beautiful plant Dena. I named her Dena because a friend of mine had given a piece of her to me. Actually, it was two pieces. Yeah, and it's two pieces down in there. Yep. So she gave me two pieces, and first I grew her in the water, and then I replanted her in soil. She was outside with me in the summer, and now she's just beautiful, and she's giving me a new leaf right there. Yep, and I got another one, a new one back there. I don't want to move them too much because they're so stiff, which means I'm watering them good. But yeah, I got a new one back there too. So this is Dena, and she's probably about 3.5 feet tall now. And I don't move her around much because I want her to grow beautifully, like those plants that you see in the store that they charge so much for. So yeah, that's Dena. Her leaves are beautiful. See, new leaves, just beautiful. I love dumb canes. So yes, that's my update on her. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed her. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Remember to love everyone, give them a hug, and appreciate the small things. Okay, that's important. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing more. Okay, talk to you soon. Thank you for viewing. Bye-bye.